I came in this moment in time to remind you that you have wealth, that you are divine. A goddess came to me named AJE, Yoruba divinity, they say. She is the keeper of wealth that had been hidden away. Her name is a blessing, I dare say. Your wealth is in your health, and therefore you can be more able to create wealth materially. The ancient ones have left the keys locked within the treasures of eternity. Money, money, come to me in ways expected and unexpectedly. None are harmed as I received. They are blessed as I achieve. Money, money, come to me. Wealth is my divinity. As I remember who I am, I see clearly her divine plan. AJE is the name that brings me here today. Look into her and see how she may want to play with you in ways to bring you greater wealth. But do not forget to anoint your health. The paths are many to achieve your heart's desires. Be not afraid to acquire the talents that you have within. Be wise on how and when you spend the time, the energy, your focal points. Money, money, come to me in ways expected and unexpectedly. None are harmed as I receive. AJE, shine a light on thee, who hear the words that are blessed and receive the wealth as the water falls from the heavens to the earth and recycles itself again. Money, money, come to me in ways expected and unexpectedly. You are in the Goddess Temple Palace with the Queen, great great grandmother, Goddess Opulence Ra Enter. If you like the words I say, click my bell and let me know by words so we can play some more. You are the reasons that I speak today, for I have had requests of money coming into your pockets. Make sure that you don't have holes in your pockets, that you hold on to your money, so that when it is time for you to utilize the energies of her presence in the form of AJE today, you will also take wisdom with you along the way. Money, money, come to me in ways expected and unexpectedly. Namaste, beloveds. Peace and prosperity unto thee. I shall speak to you soon again.